Tha Tien Pier is the nearest pier to Wat Pho, making it a convenient stop for visitors heading to the famous temple. It's also the departure point for a cross-river ferry to Wat Arun. It's important to note that public boats stopping at Tha Tien Pier do not visit Wat Arun Pier and vice versa. However, the ferry service connecting these piers is both frequent and affordable, making it easy to hop between them. To reach Wat Pho, the temple of the Reclining Buddha, simply head inland from the pier, cross the intersection, and the entrance will be just 100 meters ahead on your right. One of Thailand's most significant temples, Wat Pho is among Bangkok's premier attractions. If you have time to visit only one temple, this is an excellent choice. Wat Pho's history predates Bangkok's status as Thailand's capital city. By the time King Rama I chose to build his palace nearby in 1782, the temple had fallen into disrepair. Major renovations followed, and the temple became home to Thailand's largest collection of Buddha images, many relocated from former capitals like Ayutthaya and Sukhothai. At the heart of the complex, the ordination hall is the temple's most important structure, where ashes of King Rama I are enshrined beneath a large Buddha image. Between 1832 and 1848, further expansions took place under King Rama III, who added the iconic Reclining Buddha and oversaw the construction of most of the temple's 71 smaller chedi, which contain the ashes of members of the Thai royal family. If you'd like a more in-depth understanding of Wat Pho's history and significance, local guides are often available near the entrance, depending on demand. If you arrive at Tha Tien Pier and wish to visit Wat Arun, follow the signs to the cross-river ferry. On the other side, the entrance to Wat Arun is to your left as you leave the pier. Also known as the Temple of Dawn, Wat Arun is one of Bangkok's most iconic landmarks. While its exact origins remain uncertain, records show it predates 1688 as it appears on European maps from that period. The temple's central prang was completed in 1851 after 9 years of construction, a project, like the expansion of Wat Pho, undertaken during the reign of King Rama III. It is decorated with elaborate patterns made from broken porcelain, once used as ballast in Chinese trading ships. When these ships arrived in Bangkok, the porcelain was discarded along the riverbank. Local artisans repurposed it to create the temple's striking mosaic designs. If you're looking to experience a quieter, more traditional side of Bangkok, why not consider a canal boat ride along its historic waterways? The kiosk at Tha Tien Pier is known for its reliable service, and after visiting one or both of the temples, your legs will likely appreciate a well-deserved break. The area around Tha Tien Pier is currently undergoing renovations as part of Bangkok's ongoing modernisation efforts. For more videos and information about Bangkok, visit our website at goingtobangkok.com. You'll find the link in the description.